Coach, congratulations on the victory. Ano masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team?
Well, ano naman, well executed yung set play ni Joymi, and we are happy na nanalo, and we are also happy because andyan na si Alina. So unti-unti nang nabubuo yung actually andito na yung cherry na na ito yung hinihintay namin. Then hopefully anytime by next week siguro si Jasmine. So happy kami na nanalo kami, nakuha namin yung first game namin sa conference na to.
Because we also have Changadi, the team captain of the charity, the crossovers. Chang, ano lang din masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team, especially since new team captain ka, tapos bago nung team ni Aras?
First of all, papasalamat ako sa effort ng lahat ng mga teammates ko and the coaching staff, kasi ito naman yung mga tinatraining namin everyday going to the PDL. And today, marami pa rin kaming mga lapses, may mga pagkukulang pa rin kami as athletes na kailangan namin ipagtuunan pa ng pansin para pag habang tumatagal yung liga, mas magiging pulido yung kilos namin as cohesive unit.